In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text on Wix. Whether you're building a website for your business, a portfolio, or a personal blog, bold text is a simple but powerful way to highlight key information. It helps draw your visitors' eyes to exactly what you want them to notice, like headings, important dates, or calls to action. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic ways to make text bold in the Wix editor, and share a few small tips to keep everything looking clean and professional. To start, open your Wix website editor and go to the page where the text you want to change is located. Once you're on that page, move your mouse over the text element you want to edit. You have two main ways to start editing that text. The first way is to simply double-click directly on the text. When you double-click, Wix automatically switches that text box into edit mode. You'll see your typing cursor appear inside the text, and the text editing toolbar will show up, usually near the top or right above the text box. This is the fastest method if you're already sure which text you want to work on. The second way is helpful if you prefer to be a bit more deliberate. Hover your mouse over the text until you see the outline and small menu appear. Then click once on the text to select it. After that, look for the option that says Edit Text or simply Edit. Click on that and Wix will again open the text box in edit mode with the formatting options visible. Now that you're in edit mode, select the specific word, sentence, or entire line you want to make bold by clicking and dragging over it. With the text highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar. You'll see a button with a capital letter B, which is the standard bold icon. Click on the B and the selected text will instantly become bold. Take a moment to review your changes on the page. Make sure the bold text is used sparingly and intentionally so it enhances readability instead of making everything look heavy or cluttered. When you're happy with the result, simply click outside the text box to exit editing mode, and